Hello y'all, welcome to another video. So today I am doing a deep clean and a little reorganization slash mini makeover of the master bathroom and bedroom, and we are just hopping right in. So if you need some cleaning motivation, especially some deep cleaning motivation, this is a video for you, and keep on watching. So I'm first starting off, I haven't even gotten ready for the day. As you can see, I'm in my pajamas, I'm in my glasses. I just wanted to get the shower curtain and the whatever they're called, bath mat, bath rug. Anyway, I wanted to get those into the laundry first thing, scrub down this shower right away, because that always seems like the hardest thing to tackle, at least for me in the bathroom, especially when I'm trying to like get all that stuff through the laundry and get it back hung up by the end of the day. It is just such a task, especially today because I'm also doing the bedding all on the same day, and you know how that goes. So I'm doing this very first thing. I'm going to scrub the ever-living crap out of this shower with a bunch of hot water and some Gain Power Wash and some good old-fashioned elbow grease, and get this thing shining like new. Yes, I'm going through the trouble of scrubbing these babies down, these little wire racks, but later in the day, one of them actually broke. So I had to remove them and get a whole new shelf system for the bathroom, but that's fine. I had already gone to Walmart to get a couple of things because I had other parts of my bathroom I was going to organize. So I was like, whatever, let's just get a little, shower rack as well. These were working for me from Amazon. I don't know why one of the clips just broke. No one else I know has had any problems, and I have these in my other bathroom and I've had them for just as long and nothing's happened. So I don't know. I think it was just a fluke, but I honestly ended up loving the new shower rack organizer thing that I got anyway. So I was super happy. It was like a serendipitous moment where I'm actually happier with the other thing that I ended up with. So whatever. I am just going to rinse everything down, all that soap and dirt and whatever down, all the soap scum, with very, very hot water. And then I just like to do a little wipe around of kind of the front of the tub that can start to collect dust and things like that, and just put all the toiletries back. After the shower is sorted out for now, I wanted to clear off the countertops and the vanity and give this a very good scrub down as well. And I just want to get everything basically prepped for the day so that later when I'm trying to reorganize in here, I don't have to worry about any of this later. I can come back with my cute little organizers from Walmart and just get right to it, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to give this the old good scrub down with the bathroom specific sponge like I talk about. And again, the Gain Power Wash, get all those toothpaste marks and water splashes and everything out of the sink, wipe down the counters and the mirror, and then we are out of here for now. that little wipe down, we are moving on to the master bedroom. I stripped the bed and started the first round of laundry in there. And then we're doing just a couple of little random housekeeping things. This cord and USB charger actually came with this nightstand, and I have just never had my husband install it basically. So we did that really quick. As you can see, it just has 2 little USB plugs. So you can just charge your phone right there instead of having to charge your phone from the wall, if that makes sense. And then I already had these sheer curtains, and I decided that I wanted to put these up just to change up the vibe. I had some kind of tan curtains in here, and I just wanted something a little bit more bright and white. The one qualm that we have with this house is that the master bedroom and bathroom is so much smaller than our last house. We definitely got super spoiled in our last house. If you've seen some of my old videos, we did live in a super old house, like a 1950s house, but the master bedroom and bathroom were gigantic, beautiful double vanity, the whole shebang, a separate bathtub and shower. Like, we got so spoiled with that. And, you know, we come to this house and we absolutely love it. It's a brand new house, totally modern, but the master bedroom and bathroom is literally the size of like this. It's the same size as our kids' bedrooms. You know, it's just like a regular bedroom, slightly bigger closet than the kids' bedrooms. And our bathroom is a very simple, you know, 1 sink, 1 toilet, 1 combo shower and tub. You know what I'm saying? So I try to keep it really bright and white in here to make it feel bigger than it is. I know our furniture is dark. It's this dark brown that you're seeing now, but I try to keep like the white shower curtain and the white curtains in the wall and white decor just to make it feel a little bit more open and airy, if that makes sense. So anyway, I already had these white sheer curtains, and I decided to change out the tan ones, and I really do actually love the way it looks so much more. I just love when that happens. Sometimes the little tweaks are much bigger and make much more of an impact than you think, like simple things like that, changing out your curtains with curtains you already have. So anyway, now I am moving on to the floors. I gave them a super long, thorough vacuum, and now I am using my Hoover, the Hoover Clean, Hot Clean or something like that. Hot water cleaner. It's amazing. And just, you know, the Hoover deep clean soap, and giving these a very good deep clean. You are going to see the water in this carpet. I am embarrassed kind of, but it's the truth. It's real life. I have not been able to deep clean it nearly as much as I normally do since having the baby, and there is that nasty water. Oh my goodness. I could not believe that, but we got the carpets clean, and now we are back in the bathroom to organize this hot mess of a cabinet that I have, and our little vanity also was in desperate need of a reorganize, and just to go through and throw away stuff that's empty, throw away stuff I never see or never use. Yeah, so I got these super cute plastic jute looking baskets from Walmart. I will totally link them down below. And I decided, well, they're a perfect fit actually, and these come in a bunch of different sizes, so hopefully you can find some of these that are super cute that fit whatever you have going on in your bathroom. They're the perfect size for our little medicine cabinet thing that we have on the wall, and you'll see what I mean later. So I decided one of these baskets is going to be my morning skincare, and the other basket will be the nighttime skincare, which is what I had up in that cabinet, just all loosey-goosey. And I just wanted them to have their own baskets, especially because I am not really that girl that like loves to see my skincare sitting out. I know that that's totally some people's aesthetic, and that's fine. It's just not for me. I just really want them to be, you know, put away in a basket. I want things to be put away nicely and just really sleek. So I'm just going through my husband's stuff now, and I'm giving him this little 3-sectioned organizer that I originally had because I have a different idea for my little drawer. So I'm just going through his stuff here. I was originally going to put him in the top drawer, but I decided that the top drawer was better for me anyway, mainly because he does not get ready in this bathroom in the morning. My husband is a deer, and he will go to the guest bathroom to get ready in the morning before work as to not wake me up. So this is all just his like spare stuff he'll use on special occasions when we're going out for dinner, stuff like that. So I decided, whatever, I'll just put him in the bottom drawer. It doesn't really matter. At least he now just has one good organized basket for all his extra hair and beard stuff. And he has his own little space in here, but everything else is in the guest bathroom in that drawer over there. So no worries with that. I'm not being too mean to him. So I'm just clearing out both of these drawers. I swear half of the bottles that he had in here were empty anyway, so he didn't even, have a lot going on. So I just needed to clear everything out. I wiped down the inside of each drawer as well. And then I am going to go through everything that I have under the sink as well. I used to have basically all my hair stuff under the sink, and it just really wasn't working for me, which is what prompted this whole reorganized thing and combining my skincare all together onto the shelves on the wall. So I decided that this little pull-out drawer is now going to be just for my hair. It used to be kind of a combo of skincare, my contacts, stuff like that. But now it's going to be strictly my hair products, my clips, my hair ties, my hairbrushes, stuff like that. It's all going to be strictly in this drawer. And under the sink, I have a basket all the way at the back for, the stuff that you don't use all the time, like all my backup contact lenses, because I get a year's worth at a time. And all of my hot tools, if you guys have watched for a while, I rarely style my hair with hot tools. I am 95% of the time letting my hair air dry. Stuff like that is all the way in the back in a basket. And then in the front basket that you'll see here in a minute, kind of a smaller size, that is where I'm going to keep the everyday stuff that isn't skincare and isn't hair. So the skincare is in the on the cabinet on the wall right here. The hair stuff is all in this pull-out drawer, and then underneath the sink in a little basket of its own is the toothbrush, toothpaste, contact lens solution, stuff I use every single day. And I love, personally for me, I do love the basket system because I can just grab the basket, bring it up, pick stuff out as I need it, put it all back in the basket as I go, stick it under the sink. Boom, clean bathroom. If you haven't tried the basket method yet, you really, really need to try it. It's nothing new, revolutionary, crazy, but I stand by it. I used to be that person who really did not pick up after myself at all. And the only thing that honestly really, really helps me is the basket method. So that is why I love how I'm kind of organizing my bathroom today, because my morning skincare, all in one basket. When I'm washing my face, I grab the basket, grab the one thing I need out of it, put it right back. One thing out, put it right back. By the time I'm done, the bathroom's already picked up. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes I get the question of oh, how do you keep your house picked up all the time? It's stuff like that. I try to make my life easier on myself as much as I possibly can with simple little things like that. So if that helps, I hope it does. Hopefully it's something you haven't tried just yet. So here I am putting these cute little skinny long jute baskets back on this cabinet. And then in this middle section, I just have two cute little jars with Q-tips in one, little flossers in the other, and I put a candle in the middle, and it's so lovely and so cute. And I love to light candles for myself when I'm showering. A little fun fact about me, but it just makes it feel so much more like a little pamper sesh. Gets the whole fragrance vibe going, and the fragrance kind of leaks into the bathroom, and it's very relaxing to me. I really love that. So anyway, I'm back under here under the sink, and like I said, you can see that big basket. I just have my hot tools and stuff like that, and then I have a smaller basket towards the front that is just going to have the everyday stuff. After all that is said and done for, we are moving on to the shower, and this is my little brand new shower organizer thing. I know that the tension rod basket situation is nothing new, but I've actually never tried this style of organizer in a bathroom. I normally just go for like the stick-on shelves. I know that I hate the over the shower hanging basket situation. I just feel like my shampoo bottles and stuff never fit. So I was like, you know what? Finally, I'm gonna try this whole tension rod thing. And I am in love with it. I think it's so cute. I love that you can adjust exactly where, you know, the baskets are on the thing, if that makes sense. This is just from Walmart, 30 bucks. It's awesome. It's so cute. I really, really like it. And it holds so much stuff. I was just blown away. So here I am just putting everything back kind of where it belongs, organized. And I'm so happy. You can see right there. I'm just like so happy with myself. And then I got this super cute little carafe. It's meant for water, but the little cup for it is the lid. And I thought it'd be so cute for mouthwash. And just, you know, cuter than just having like the boring mouthwash bottle sitting on the countertop. So then I'm going to fill in those little holes. If you saw the little pink clay, that is just like hole fill in, goes on pink, dries white. I put 2 layers, and while that was drying, I was just going to start cleaning the rest of this bathroom. So when I deep clean, if you've seen some of my deep clean videos before, you know I don't really bother too much with a rag and a spray bottle. I'm going straight for a bucket of hot water and some Pine-Sol, so that is what I'm doing here. And I'm wiping down every square inch of this bathroom, every square inch, the walls, you know, the sides of the cabinet, every single little bit is getting wiped down as much as possible. I filmed as much as I could, you guys, but this bathroom is so tiny, it's so hard to get the right angles. I'm also going to be wiping down the door and everything. And then I also really quickly swept, and I just tend to do the bathroom on my hands and knees with a rag in this bathroom. But, you know, it's just such a weird angle. You were basically looking at my butt the whole time and not even me cleaning. Like, you couldn't even see what I was doing. So I went ahead and cut that out. Thank me later. But yes, I just sweep really quickly, and then I do the floor really quick on my hands and knees with a microfiber towel and that Pine-Sol with super hot water. And then I am just hanging up these cute little hooks. These are just like stick-on hooks that I got from Amazon. I'll totally link them down below. And that is the bathroom in the master bedroom done with a deep clean, a reorganize, and a mini makeover in the bathroom. Absolutely love it. If you guys are still cleaning along with me, there is a playlist with all of my cleaning videos right here on the screen and always linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.